Hello, I'm doing a demo for LLMNR poisoning. LLMNR is a link local multicast name resolution. So it's a protocol that allows computers to resolve the names of the other device without using a DNS. So LLMNR poisoning works by an attacker sending a spoof LLMNR response to a target Windows device on the same network, pretending to be the device it was trying to resolve. So here is the diagram. So first, the victim tried to connect a device with typo, and then DNS cannot find this device. And so the victim machine send out a broadcast. So who knows this device? And the attacker reply, yes, that is me. And then the victim send out the credential to the attacker. So let's take a look at the lab setup. So I have one window, Windows 10 is connected to net. So that means these three machines are in a private network. Share the bandwidth has my host Mac Pro MacBook Pro. So I have a Windows Server 2019 is connected to net, and I have a Kali Linux. Okay. So first, let's check out the Windows setup. First is on the Windows 10. So first of all, we need to turn off the firewall. There is a command that can check the firewall status. It's net sh adv firewall show all. So as you can see, all the firewall are turned off on this Windows 10. Next, we want to check that the virus protection is turned off. So let's go to settings. And then update and security. And Windows security. Virus threat protection. Okay. Let's check the manage settings. Okay, so the real-time protection is turned off. Okay. All right, so that's the Windows 10. Next, let's check the Windows Server 2019. So we also need to check the firewall. So all the firewall is So it's turned off. And we also need to check the virus protection settings. Update and security. Windows security. Virus and threat protection. Manage settings. Okay, so it's turned off. Since this is a domain controller, so besides the firewall and the virus protection, we also need to check if the Active Directory service are running. You can use service.msc. Okay, let's check the so active domain service is running. DFS. Okay, DFS replication is running. DNS server. DNS server is running. So Kerberos. Kerberos key distribution center. It's running. Okay. And the link layer topology discovery mapper is running. So this is the LLMNR net logon. Okay, so it's running. All right. Then we check the so here is our domain name, marvel.local. It's running on this server, Windows 2019 server. So we finished the checkup for the Windows 10 and the Windows 2019 server. So next we check the Linux. They are okay. So this is our DC, the Active Directory domain server, and this is our Windows 10. Okay. So if you run the pin, they all can be so that means we have connectivity. 132. So it's pinnable for the domain name server and Windows 10. So we have network connectivity. But if you look up for the marvel.local, it cannot be found because we don't have the correct DNS server setting. So if you run with the 132, so if we run the NS lookup with the DNS server on DC, then we can find it. So let's take a look current settings for the so the current DNS server is in this etc resolve.conf file. So we are not using the DC, but anyhow they are connected. Just we just don't have the DNS configured in the resolve.config file. If you want to add it, then it will be fine. Okay, so next we want to run the LLMNR. So there is a tool. So here is the tool, responder. The interface Ethernet.0. So if we look at the ARP, so they are all reachable on this interface. Ethernet 0, ETH 0. So we are going to run this command. Okay. So we started responder. So in order to trigger the event, we can use the Windows 10. We can use a file explorer. Okay. Let's type in let's say share disk. AAA. So it's not it's not existing in the network. Okay. So we got the credential on the administrator, and we can use another tool, hashcat, to break this hash. So first so this is NTLM version 2 text. Okay. First we remove this file. And then we added this file. And then we are going to copy the credential. Then we save this file, Control X. Yes. Okay. So we are going to crack the cache here. So we need to run this command. The RocketU text is the word is used to crack the password. And we copy and pass the credential in this file, hash ntlmv2.txt. So this is the mode used to do the hash, to crack the hash. Okay, the hash is cracked. So here is the password. All right. So that's the the other thing. So we use LLMNR poisoning to get the credential, and we use hashcat to crash the to crack the password hash. Okay, let's talk about remediation. So first is to disable LLMR by GPO, Good Policy Object. Let me show you. Okay, so we can use the gpedit gpedit.msc. So it's under administrator template network. DNS client, and look for turn off here, turn off multicast name resolution, and there's a policy setting here. So if you want to turn it off, just click enable, and then we can turn it off, right? So if you cannot turn it off, then if multicast name resolution is required, you can use the network access control NAC combined with a whitelisting. Network access control is a security solution that is used to enforce security policy on devices. So NAC ensure that only authorized and compliant devices are allowed to access a network. All right, that's the demo for LLMNR. All right, thank you.